Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. I have a confession to make. I have been bitten by the LED bug. In the previous episode, we installed the Waxima LED headlights, H7 and low beams, and you know, the rest of the lights don't look as good. So today we're gonna install this purchase from Waxima, but off-brand LEDs inside the fog lights. So we're gonna have the fog lights as well, LED. Wish me luck. Also changing the oil and putting a new air cabin filter. But inside that Slate right there, probably can't see it because it's dark. The Slate is on the left, but there is music in here, so I'm gonna mute you for a second and go do my thing. Alright, I have you set up there. Here is Slate. One of these little things right here in the car is missing. And I don't know if you can see, hold on. Yeah, those little covers that go for the fog lights, where you change the fog lights. See how I have it here, but it's missing on the other side. Someone stole it. Bad, but what can I do? So this thing, you gotta remove it, and then you can access the fog light. Here are the lights. We're gonna open them and see what's in there. Now, I could have gotten the same LED bulbs like the other ones, but they were 41 bucks on Amazon. Instead, I got these H11 LEDs that were sold again by Waxima, like the ones that we got for the low beams, but they're off-brand, so I don't know how good they are. I'll put them in. They're the same exact Kelvin temperature, white, I think it's 6500, like the low beams. They have nice fan in the back, metal construction, single LED on each side, and supposedly weatherproof connection. So we have two of these little lights. As I said, they were $24.99 on Amazon. I'll link them below if you want to switch your fog lights of your Mercedes or whatever vehicle you have with the H11 connector. They'll be listed down below. Let's get to it. The halogen bulb. Alright, one is done. I'm gonna go do the other one, and after we change the oil, we're gonna put the car down, see if the lights work. Halogen bulb 2, LED bulb 2. So unlike the other connection with the H7 LED bulbs, we had to modify brackets and cut plastic and stuff like that. These are as simple as plug and play. The little cable on the LED goes straight into the connection of the car, so you have no issues there. I put them both in. Now I'm just gonna wait for the oil to be changed, and then we're gonna see if they work. You hang in there. Also, time to say bye to this yellow film on the fog lights, because now they're gonna be looking crisp with the new LED bulbs. Great success! Now let's lower the car down and see how it looks with the headlights on and the fog lights. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna throw this charcoal activated cabin air filter in the car. You know, you gotta change these from time to time. You breathe the air in your car after all.
I can't do nothing this week. Maybe next week one day you bring me the car, maybe over here. Let me just put this.
How will you build it?
1,000. It would be less.
Now this was bright and nice. I just installed the fog LED lights in the car and they look great. If you do want to check them out, I'll have a link down in the description. If you edit, it does help me just a little bit. And of course, if you get them from that link. Also, if you want to follow my LED addiction and other videos, including this car right there, hit the subscribe button, why not? If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up. I know you want it. Subscribe for a lot more videos to come. But one question: what code are these parking lights? If you could help me down in the comment section. Tell me what code they are. I think they're H5, but I'm not 100% sure. Those are the ones that we should probably change next, because those are the only halogen bulbs out there, as well as the high beams. But till then, have a great day. Bye.